Another day, another video of first aid by Best Home Remedies for Chronic Diarrhea Causes, First Aid by. Chronic diarrhea is a condition that can be caused by a number of different factors. This article will explore some of the possible causes of chronic diarrhea and discuss ways to manage it. We will also look at some of the symptoms associated with chronic diarrhea and how it can be treated. Chronic diarrhea, which is defined as loose, watery stools that last for more than 4 weeks, can be caused by a variety of factors, including infections, food intolerances, medications, and underlying medical conditions. While it's important to seek medical advice if you have chronic diarrhea, there are also several home remedies that may help alleviate symptoms. There are 6 the best home remedies for chronic diarrhea. 1. Stay hydrated. Chronic diarrhea can lead to dehydration, so it's important to drink plenty of fluids to replace the water lost through loose stools. Water, clear broth, herbal tea, and electrolyte drinks can all help replenish the fluids and minerals lost. 2. Eat a low-fiber diet. A low-fiber diet can help ease chronic diarrhea. Avoid high-fiber foods such as beans, nuts, whole grains, and raw fruits and vegetables, which can irritate the digestive system. 3. Try the BRAT diet. The BRAT diet stands for bananas, rice, applesauce, and toast, all low-fiber foods that can help firm up stools. This diet can be helpful for the short-term relief of chronic diarrhea. 4. Add probiotics. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that can help restore the natural balance of the gut microbiome, which can be disrupted by chronic diarrhea. Probiotic-rich foods such as yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi, or probiotic supplements, may help alleviate diarrhea symptoms. 5. Try herbal remedies. Several herbs may help alleviate diarrhea symptoms. Ginger, chamomile, peppermint, and turmeric have anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe the digestive system and may help reduce inflammation and diarrhea. 6. Avoid trigger foods. Certain foods may exacerbate chronic diarrhea symptoms. Some common triggers include dairy products, spicy foods, caffeine, and alcohol. Avoiding these foods may help reduce diarrhea symptoms. It's important to note that while these home remedies may help alleviate chronic diarrhea symptoms, they should not be used as a substitute for medical treatment. If your symptoms persist or worsen, or if you experience other symptoms such as fever, severe abdominal pain, or blood in your stool, seek medical advice immediately. Chronic diarrhea treatment. Chronic diarrhea is a condition that lasts for more than 4 weeks, and it can be caused by a range of underlying factors, such as bacterial or viral infections, digestive disorders, or medications. Here are some home remedies that may help alleviate the symptoms of chronic diarrhea. Stay hydrated. Diarrhea can be an uncomfortable and even dangerous condition, but it can be treated. Staying hydrated is an important part of treating diarrhea. It's important to drink plenty of fluids, such as water, sports drinks, and electrolyte solutions, to replace lost electrolytes and help restore the balance of fluids in the body. Avoiding caffeine and alcohol can also help, as these can make dehydration worse. Eating foods that are high in potassium, such as bananas, sweet potatoes, and yogurt, can also help replace lost electrolytes. In addition, over-the-counter medications such as loperamide can help slow down the frequency of bowel movements. If symptoms persist, it is important to contact your doctor to determine the underlying cause of diarrhea. Try probiotics. Diarrhea can be a painful and embarrassing condition, but probiotics may help. Probiotics are live microorganisms, usually bacteria, that are found in some foods and supplements. Research suggests that probiotics may help reduce the duration and frequency of diarrhea, and some studies have found that probiotics may help reduce the risk of developing it in the first place. Probiotics may also help reduce abdominal pain and bloating. Probiotics are generally considered safe and may be a good option for treating or preventing diarrhea. It is important to talk to your doctor before taking any supplements to make sure they are right for you. Eat a bland diet. Eating a bland diet is one of the most effective treatments for diarrhea. Bland foods are those that are low in fiber and fat, and usually high in simple carbohydrates. These foods are easy to digest, making them an ideal choice when dealing with an upset stomach. Examples of bland foods include boiled potatoes, plain rice, cooked vegetables, applesauce, bananas, and toast. It's important to drink plenty of fluids as well, especially water and clear liquids like broth and tea. While it may not be the most exciting of diets, sticking to a bland diet can help relieve symptoms of diarrhea and allow the digestive system to recover. Use ginger. Ginger is a popular natural remedy for treating diarrhea. It helps to reduce inflammation in the intestinal lining and can reduce the frequency of loose stools. It also helps to reduce the severity of cramps associated with diarrhea. Ginger can be taken in the form of a tea, or consumed raw or in supplement form. For best results, it is recommended to take 1 to 2 teaspoons of fresh ginger root per day or to take 250 to 1000 milligrams of ginger extract supplements daily. Additionally, adding ginger to your diet by adding it to foods such as soups, salads, and smoothies can also help to treat and prevent diarrhea. Drink chamomile tea. Drinking chamomile tea is an effective way to treat diarrhea. Chamomile has natural anti-inflammatory properties that soothe the digestive system, helping to reduce inflammation in the intestines and relieve symptoms of diarrhea. It also contains compounds that help to reduce intestinal spasms, which can help to reduce the frequency and intensity of bowel movements. Additionally, the tea's calming effects can help to reduce stress levels, which can help reduce the severity of diarrhea symptoms. While chamomile tea is generally safe to use for treating diarrhea, it is important to speak to a healthcare professional before using it as a remedy. Try psyllium husk. Psyllium husk is a natural fiber derived from the plant Ago ovata, which is commonly used as a laxative to treat constipation and other digestive issues. It is also a popular home remedy for many other health conditions, including high cholesterol, diabetes, irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and obesity. Psyllium husk absorbs water and forms a gel-like consistency, which can help to reduce cholesterol levels, increase the feeling of fullness, and regulate blood sugar levels. To use psyllium husk as a home remedy, mix 1 teaspoon of husk with a glass of water and drink it once a day. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day to avoid any potential side effects. Take over-the-counter medication. Over-the-counter medications can be an effective way to treat minor ailments such as headaches, colds, and allergies. However, if you want to try something more natural, there are several home remedies that may help. For headaches, try taking a few deep breaths, drinking a cup of chamomile tea, and massaging your temples. For colds, try drinking hot fluids, like tea with honey and lemon, and using a saline nasal spray. For allergies, try using a neti pot to rinse out your nasal passages and taking a daily supplement of vitamin C, which can help to reduce inflammation. However, it's important to note that chronic diarrhea can be a sign of a more severe underlying condition, so it's best to consult with a healthcare provider if symptoms persist or worsen. Conclusion. In conclusion, chronic diarrhea can be a very disruptive and uncomfortable condition. While there are many medical treatments available, there are also a variety of home remedies that can help reduce the symptoms of chronic diarrhea. These include drinking plenty of fluids, eating probiotic-rich foods, avoiding processed and high-fat foods, and supplementing with certain vitamins and minerals. By following these simple tips, you can find much-needed